Hello, Flash. Hello, Flash Gordon. Are you deaf? Oh, I wonder if Flash Gordon's deaf. Oh, he might be. Hey, Flash Gordon. There he is. Hello. Oh, bye. Oh, good boy. Hello, Flash. Hello. Oh, don't run. Good boy. Wow. Hey, that's a first. That is a first, everybody. You witnessed it here, live on Sapphire's channel. Flash Gordon doing a Yui, not running away. How cool is that? How cool. I'm very, very happy. See, a bit of love and food and patience goes a long way, doesn't it, Flash Gordon? All by himself. Brave boy. Well, that's a 10 out of 10, everyone. Hooray! Lots of love. Bye for now.